What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video I'm gonna add an image right here, and after that I need to add the slogan or my professional words that I always write, like WordPress developer and SEO expert. And then here I need to add a button right here. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this. Okay, and I want to add something. So when we want to add this, we just click this guy right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this guy, and then you can see that I can add pretty much anything. So I need an image. Okay, so I'm just gonna drag it and drop it right here. Okay, and it should be here. So it says choose your image. I'm just gonna come here, and I need the image to be like a bit of 150 by 150, not very much large. So I'm just gonna come here, and I need to upload the file, select file, and just select the file that I want to upload. So this is the one. I'm just gonna come here, and I'm gonna hit this, and you can see that it is coming right here. I'm just gonna come here, and it says insert media. So this is right here. You can see that this is coming right here, and I'm gonna go to the style, and here I have the border radius. So for border radius, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna hit 200. I'm just gonna come here, and it says 200. Okay, so you can see that this is now of the center. Okay, I think I should be going up with 250, 250, 300. Yes. Okay. Yes, 300. So here we go. You can see that the border has been applied. Okay, I'm just gonna come here, and it says the thumbnail to be 150 by 150. So you can see that how this is looking. This is the image that is coming, and it is also the circle right here. So you can see how great it is. The border should be solid. Okay, and so you can see that I am basically editing this image right here. On clicking this image or on applying this image, this is the content where you have to choose the assignment, choose the alignment, image size, and everything. You can, and this is the style where you can style everything. Okay, so here is the size, here is the opacity, here is the hover animation, and then we have the border type. So the border is going to be solid. Okay, and the color is going to be the full one. So this is going to be a bit cool. So you can just control the transparency right here. You can see that if I just increase it, how this is changing, the border is changing. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead, and I'm going to use the normal one. Okay, and the border radius should be 300. So then we have the caption right here. So if you want to add a caption, you can also add it, but since we have our name right here, so I don't think so if it is recommended. So now we're totally done with this. You can also add some animation. So if I just come here, you can see, and I want to just add some animation. So I can just go with the float. So if I just bring my mouse here, you can see how this is coming. So let's just come here, and if I just bring my mouse, you can see, so you can give this effect pretty well, and you can see how great it is looking. I just love it. So now you can see, you can change it. You can change it to be like hang skew. So you can see how this is changing. So you can change it to be pretty well. Buzz is also great. You can see I'm dancing. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna go to the float one because I like this one. Okay, and I'm gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna hit save. So I'm looking just like pretty much an egg. So now I want to add another text, and that is going to be my tagline, my professional line, or that I want to add. So I'm just going to click this guy right here again. Okay, and I want to go to, so you can pretty much go with the heading, or you can go with the text editor. So it totally depends. Both of the thing is gonna do the same job. So I'm just gonna grab the text editor right here because I want a text, not a heading. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I'm gonna add this to be web developer or WordPress developer. And SEO expert. So there we go. And now what I want to go to the style, and I want to align this to center. So you can see that this has been aligned to center, and the text color is going to be white. A bit of white, not the full white. Okay, and the typography should be on, and the size should be this. This looks cool. Okay, yes, this looks cool. So now what I want to change the family, so it's gonna be Open Sans. Okay, and the weight should be 300. Damn, this looks amazing. This looks seriously amazing. Okay, and then we have the styles, so it should be the default one. The transformation should be no transformation, and we have the line height. So you can just manage the line height right here. So I'm just gonna go with the normal one. I think this one. Okay, this looks cool. This looks cool, kind of cool. I'm just gonna grab this right here, and you can see how this is looking. So I just need a bit more line height. Okay, I think this much. Yes, this is looking amazing. So you can see my name is coming, my tagline is coming, my profile picture is coming, and everything is coming right here. I need a button right here. I can add 2 buttons. I can add anything right here. So I'm going to show you how you are going to make it work. So thanks a lot, guys, for watching this. In the next video, we're going to add some more. Goodbye.